Hello everyone, welcome back to ABLLMS. Hope all of you are doing great. Okay, so till now we have covered lots of projects on Tkinter module, and we have did like the concepts of label, frame, and the button size. So today I'm going to start a new widget of Tkinter module, that is entry widget, right? See, I think all of you already understood about the name entry. Entry means whenever you want to take any entry from the user. Let's suppose I am a user, right? I want to fill the form. So I know like you need to put some entry, you need to give some input. That is known as the entry widget, right? Let's suppose if you're going to do some login inside any GUI, right? So you need to put username, password. So you have to enter some like informations. That is called the entry widget, right? So let's see how we can create this entry widget. So let's quickly jump to the software, right? So first I'll import turtle. See till now what I did, whenever you want to call the module, you need to call import Tkinter. So basically, and then you need to create root equal to Tkinter dot tk. So you have to create an object, and at the end you need to write a root dot main loop so that you can get inside a loop. And you can also select root dot geometry, right? And here you can select the like width and height of your GUI screen, right? So let's suppose here I'm keeping it 600 and this one will be 400. If I run this one, this will work, right? What I want to do, I want to minimize our like work. I don't want to like invest unnecessary time on writing the in unnecessary code, right? For example, if you import Tkinter, every time you need any method of this Tkinter module, you need to write down Tkinter dot. Let's suppose I have to put one label, so you need to keep Tkinter dot label, Tkinter dot frame, Tkinter dot button, right? So it is unnecessary taking a lots of time and taking lots of space, right? So what I can do instead of import Tkinter, there is one more method to call the module. It is from Tkinter import start. It means what I have did, I have just passed a command for interpreter that I want to access all the methods or all the informations of this Tkinter module, right? So from now, no need to write down Tkinter dot. Whenever you want to use any method. See, if I run this one, it will work, it will find same. It will work. You can see here, right? So this is the shortcut, or you can say it will help you to save your time, right? Now let's start with our project. So today we are going to make an entry widget, right? So let's suppose here I'll first give the name of this entry is entry1 equal to sorry. So here I'll call entry visit. Here I'll call entry visit. Inside where you want to make this widget, so I want to make it inside a root. Second thing, you need to pass one more thing, like right, text variable, like what kind of text you want to get from the user. Okay, so first let me tell you about this text variable. So here I'm taking multiple line comment. Okay, so here multiple line comment. If you want to put any comment inside your code, right, you can use this triple inverted quotes. Inside this, you can put some comment, right? When you execute your code, this part will not execute it, right? This is called comment. So here what I'll do, I'll write. There are different kind of variables. Okay, there are different kind of variables in Tkinter. That is, first one is the like int var, then there will be a string var, then there will be a, I think boolean var, like this one. Okay. So here I'm going to use define. So what I want to take input from the user in the form of string variable. So first you need to create. So let's create a variable entry value equal to, here I want to take the value in the form of string variable. So I'll call string var. The same name you need to pass over here, that is entry value, right? And then you have to pack this entry as well. So entry dot pack. Now see if I run this, let's see this working or not. You can see it's saying entry is not defined in line number 14. Sorry, this will be entry 1 because here I have given the name of variable entry 1, right? Now let's run again. Yeah, you can see one entry is created over here and you can pass some value over here, right? So I hope all of you understand how to create a entry, right? So now let's do one thing. let's take one, let's create a form like login form. So here you need to take username and password. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll first, before this I'll create two label, right? So here I'll put one label, username. Label means whatever text you want to display over the text, over the GUI window. So username equal to, and here as you know, to put any label you need to call this widget label, and then where you want to put the label on the root, and then there will be a text, right? So the name of my is user name, right? Same, I'll create one more, is password, and this again I'll call this label, then root comma text equal to, and here I'll use password, right? As all of you know, you need to pack both, right? Username dot pack, so that you can use this one, else it will not work. Same again, you need to password dot, right? Now let's see if I run this one. Okay, password is not defined. Okay, sorry, my bad, it's a spelling mistake. Password, right? Now let's run this one. Password is not defined. Okay, password, oh sorry, again the spelling error. Yeah, you can see here we have two names, username and password, right? Now, what I want to do, I want to create one entry in front of the user and I want to create one entry in front of the password. Let's see how we can do this one, right? For that, you need to create two more, you need to create two entries. So this is for username. I'll take Control C and then Control V. Here also I'll write, this I want to write entry 2, and this one also I want to write entry 2, right? So here also, let's see if I run this one, right? You can see two entry has created, right? This is one, this is two. Okay. Now let's suppose I want to keep this entry 1 in front of username, entry 2 in front of password, right? Let's see how we can do this one, right? So for that, instead of pack, right, I'll use grid method. So everywhere where I have used pack, I'll use grid. See, I'll tell you what is the importance of grid. With the help of grid method, you can select the row and column. Right here also I'll take grid, and here also I'll take grid. Right. And now let's suppose this I'll take row equal to 0. This is first, and I'll take column equal to 1. So this I want to keep in next row. So row equal to I'll take 1, and column I'll take only 1. Let's see if I run this one. Okay, I think there is some error. Row equal to 0, call 1, row equal to 0, call 2. Right. So the error is that what you need to do, instead of column, you need to write down column, and here also you need to write down, right? Now let's see again, I run. Okay, you can see is in front of user, this is the entry widget, in front of the password there. And one more thing, here I have passed the same value for both. You need to create different value. This I am giving the entry 1 value, and this I am giving the entry value equal to. This is also I want to take in the form of string. So here also I'll pass entry 1 value and this entry 2 value. If I run this one, yeah, both are working fine. You can keep the value here also, here also. I hope all of you understood about the entry widget. Entry widget is also one of the most important widget of this Tkinter module, right? So in the upcoming classes, we will also see how we can merge everything like label, frame, buttons, entry to create some applications, right? Hope all of you understand this entry widgets. So just practice more and more for the better understanding of the all the concepts, right? So I'll see you in the next class, everyone. Bye. Take care. Thank you.